up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really happy to have you here. Today we are going to make grounded beef and we are turning this into a fancy, very good looking meal. It's gonna be cheap and looking fancy, so it's absolutely for you if you are on a budget. This is a budget food and it's very tasty. I loved it when I was a child. And you need grounded beef and some boiled eggs and some basic spices to make this recipe. This is what we're gonna do today, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Yvette. I am a certified keto health coach and I do coaching one-on-one tailor-made programs, absolutely not cookie cutter. And if it's something what interests you, then go to our website and sign up or comment below of this video. I do videos just like this one, tons of recipes. I share my weight loss journey. I give keto and intermittent fasting tips and some theory behind how it's working. And I occasionally do product reviews on things I really like. If you like what you see here, then hit the red subscribe button there and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now we're gonna just preheat the oven. We're going to put it on 200 degrees and just let it preheat until our meal getting ready to go in. Now we're gonna get to the video place and we're gonna cook. You need half a kilo of grounded beef, a hint of black pepper, 1 or 2 pinch of Celtic sea salt, depends on how salty you like it, a teaspoon of paprika, like this one, 2 garlic cloves, press it in there. You need 1 teaspoon of mustard. We are going to slice up and cut into squares 1 red onion. And now we are going to add this to the mixture. Very good. And now we just mix this together. And now you can just use your hands to make a solid mixture out of this. Very good. Now our meat dough is ready. Now you just use your hands and press it a little bit flatter, like this. And now we will place boiled eggs in the middle. Probably we can place here 3 of them. Very good. Here is our meat. And then you just place the eggs in the middle, like this one. And you cover them, like when you make a little bread. And work this together. I'll take a little bit of meat from here and put it some other big places and try to make it even. You can form a really nice meat bread. Okay, I am quite happy with the form. This is how it looks. And now we will sprinkle a little bit of almond flour on top. So just take a tablespoon and sprinkle it all over to give a little bit of breading. Very good. And if you want, you can add bacon as I do, but you don't have to. Very good. This is how it looks like. And I will just hint it with a little bit more paprika on top. Good. And now we will put this into a tray. And we just lift this up carefully and place it into the tray. Look how pretty is this. And now this is going into the oven. We added a little bit of water, 1/3 of your pinky finger height. And now we will cover it with some alufolia, like this. And we will put this into the oven for 1 hour on 200 degrees. Okay, so this is done and we're gonna look at it if it's good or we should leave it in a little bit more. Okay, so this is good and I will take away now the excess water from this. So we get a nice crispy outside and we're gonna put on a butter garlic sauce on top to make it even more tasty, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. For the garlic butter topping, I melted 17 grams of grass-fed butter. I will press in 1 garlic clove into this. And I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, like this, and now I will mix this together. Everything I use in this recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, I got rid of all the excessive water, and now I'm just gonna use our garlic butter on top and just put it on. And all the product links I am using will be in the description box below. Here you go. And now without coverage, this goes back to the oven for about 5-10 minutes on 200 degrees, and you just make it crispy on the top. Okay, so now this baby will go in for this other 5-10 minutes, and now we're just gonna get this golden brown color just on the top. Now this is done. This is how it looks. It's really nice, crispy, golden brown, and we will slice it up and then you will see how it looks from inside. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. I sliced it up. I think it looks amazing. It's a bit more fancy than just grounded beef. It's like eggs and some bacon, and it's really not expensive to make this meal, and this looks super delicious. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.